Action! Hey guys, what's good? I'm the chef here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're making apple crisp. So you know how it's almost Christmas time, right? I was thinking I should make a Christmas dessert today. I mean, you can make this whenever you want, but this is a very Merry Christmas themed dessert. And also, shout out to my friend Kelly for suggesting a dessert. So here you go, Kelly, and all you other friends out there. Today, I'm making my mom's homemade apple crisp. And for this, you'll need, for the crumb topping, the ingredients are all-purpose flour, old-fashioned rolled oats, light brown sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, unsalted butter, and a dash of salt. For the apple filling, the ingredients are Granny Smith apples, pears, butter, which is melted, all-purpose flour, lemon juice, which we will make, milk, vanilla extract, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and a dash of salt. And so the first thing you'll need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we've done that, we'll need to start with the toppings. In a medium bowl, combine the crumb toppings ingredients with a fork or pastry blender until it resembles small crumbs. Some difficulties here. We're all good. Baking powder. Then we'll put in some cinnamon. And we'll put in the butter. We're supposed to put it in small pieces. So, like this. Like this, and then like that. And after that, we can set this aside. What we can do is just crunch this all around. And since it's a little harder, we can just use our hands. Feels so weird on my hands. It's like sticking, but then it falls off like really fast. So it's like really strange. It's a strange feeling, honestly. I mean, if you do make it, you'll figure it out. I mean, you don't have to use your hands, but I'm using them because the brown sugar is a little harder. These are just about looking like small crumbs. Let's say about that. These are done. Then refrigerate it while we prepare the apple filling. Now for the apple filling. Use a Johnny apple peeler to peel and slice all the apples. It makes the process a lot faster. Like this. And then we will, that's good. This. And like that. Wow. And now that we're done cutting this, what we can do is just plop it right off. Take this right here. We're just gonna cut it. Like that. Alright, it's now we're just going to take a lemon, like this, up there, grab a small bowl, add our flour, then our melted butter, just going to mix, like this, we're going to add our lemon juice, now we're going to add milk and vanilla. like this. And then vanilla. Just gonna keep on mixing this. And then once we mix it around, we'll mix in our brown sugar. Fork here, there we go. Got it, we got our brown sugar in there now. While we're doing that, we will add our cinnamon. Add our cinnamon here. Woo. Then we will add a dash of salt. Like that. Maybe like one more. There we go. And this is our filling right here. As you can see. Show you that. Don't want to pour it. And this is going to be what our apples. What's going to taste good with our apples. It's going to give that nice sweet flavor. That nice little sour, hint of sour, with a little lemon. Alright, so now that we have our apple mixture, we can set this aside, bring this over here, and then we will pour this into there, and then we'll mix it around. So we'll just pour this into here, like so. And do this, like that. Get everything. And then we will mix it with our hands. It will be a little sticky and weird feeling, but it's fine. It doesn't really matter. It's going to end up tasting so good. So, now that we have our baking dish, we are going to pour all of this out into here. Pour it out like this. Then we have this, we can spread it around. Make sure you get all of the corners and everywhere. Like that, even Steven. We brought back our apple crumble from in the refrigerator, and we're just gonna crumble it all around. Like every corner. Everywhere. Can't wait to eat this when it's done. And we'll just sprinkle this all along. Alright, and we'll just take this, there, spread it around, you know how it goes. Cooking in this lit kitchen. Not mine, of my family's. But it's all gonna work out in the end. And so now that we have everything covered and done, we are now going to put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's do that now. Goodbye, see you in 35 minutes. And that's it. Now we wait. So now our apple crisp is now done, but you have to wait 10 minutes because you're gonna get burned. So yeah, just wait 10 minutes and you're good to go. Now wait 10 minutes. All right. I now have a spoon to scoop this because it's been 10 minutes. So let's do that. Ooh. It's a little hot. And enjoy. That's really good. I hope you guys can make it yourself and enjoy it with your family and friends. Subscribe if you haven't and share this video. See you guys next time. Bye. So now we can eat this, and I have my wonderful siblings here to eat it. So yes.
That's really good.
It's really good. Do you know what would be really good with this?
What?
Ice cream.
Yes, that would
Go
be
get some.
so good.
Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye.